A double-cross reversal, also known as a DCR, happens when two flow master crosses appear near the edge of an accumulation zone. These crosses signal high trading volume and potential reversals. For a valid setup, the crosses should appear within 10 to 15 algo bars of each other. You'll spot DCRs at the top or bottom of a range, signaling a potential reversal. They work even better when combined with SMLK timing lines, double delta, or other tools like Flowmaster Alpha Omegas. Place your stop loss behind the farthest Flowmaster cross. Set target 1 in the middle of the zone and target 2 at the opposite edge. If you're trading with a higher time frame trend, consider adding a target 3 or runner position beyond the zone, using signals like harmonic PPRZ or VL123. And that's the DCR strategy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.